What's up? It's Ninja Watt 508 here, and right now we're gonna be doing something a little bit different today. So right now we're gonna be taking a hike, kind of, just to enjoy beauties of nature, you know. Or you can just call me Nature Boy. I don't freaking care, actually. And here's something I found at a park before. So I found this. I don't know what it is. I guess it's like armor. I'm just gonna call it armor. But I have it on both arms, so I don't know why I'm doing it. It's just really cool. So, anyways, I'm gonna try to get some footage of some deer. Like, there are deer, foxes, and water snakes. I saw a water snake before. I don't see them too often. Too often. Probably wondering, what are those? No, I'm just kidding. And yes, go ahead and make fun of me. They are from Walmart. I'm just being honest. I'm being honest. Honesty is the key to life. I don't know where that came from, but... Okay. Just gonna do a little parkour here. Alright, so I'll try to get some footage of deer. So, I need to kind of be quiet. Well, I'm gonna have to be quiet. A little bit quiet. So we can get some footage. Try to be as quiet as possible. Ooh, squirrel. Oh yeah, there are frogs down here as well. Fish in the water. Look at this place. Squirrel over there. I don't know if you really saw it though. I don't know if you're... Okay, guys, I think I see some deer. I think I do. There's definitely some deer over there. Holy crap, I'm kind of a little bit nervous. Alright, it's for YouTube. Holy crap. I'm a little nervous to go there by myself. To go in there. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I feel like I'm in a horror movie right now. Oh god. Yeah, I'm a little nervous. I've never had a deer attack me. I don't know if there are. I believe there's some out here. Man, I kind of wish I had a gun. I was just about to bring a little plastic one I have with at home. Crap, I hope there are deer running. Crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. I'm trying not to be a baby. Little baby. And there's also a little hut I want to show you guys. So I'm trying to be a little quiet. Crap, I don't see any. Yesterday I saw a whole bunch. About 4 or 5 or so. Crap, I think I saw something move. Oh my god. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry, YouTubers. Alright, I'll try to go a little bit further. Doing great. Who left that out there? Oh, jeez. Oh my god. Okay. Me and Ava Smith, go check out her channel, you guys. We came out here before. We saw a deer, a fox, and a water snake. Well, I didn't see it one time. I'm scared, yo. I'm scared, you guys. I'm a little nervous. Usually I'd be dashing through the woods right now. I'd be rushing through the woods. Alright, guys. Looks like we made it. Wow. Oh, thorns. God, those are the worst. One of the worst, next to poison ivy. I'd rather get poked by a thorn than poison ivy. So, let's do a little bit more parkour. Holy crap. Someone's following us. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. So, holy crap. Holy crap. Alright. So far, so good. Alright, I'll get back to you guys when I find the hut. Usually, I think there'd be some deer out here this time. They're like so quiet. Oh yeah. I have to. Oh, oops. I have to go up here. Oh, there's also a pair of nunchucks I made, and I left them out here. I made them yesterday, and so I left them out here. Holy crap! Look at that. It's a mushroom. It's nice. Okay. God, it's a rock. It's scaring me. It scared me. So I may do another video with Ava Smith. And cool videos. I don't know about her. Maybe like once. One video. We come out here. Look at all that, you guys. How high up we are. Yeah, as you can see, we're over a ledge, an edge, or we're over a cliff, kind of like a cliff. Alright, so I'll try to get as much footage as I can of the hut, or cabin. And I've been in there before, so. Alright, so kind of see right there. There's the roof, kind of, and there's like the wall. And there's like a campfire there and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll try to get a little closer next time. I may do another video like this. So yes, it's pretty nice, pretty peaceful out here. But okay, so we're kind of getting close to the area of where me and Ava Smith saw the deer. So we're going to have to kind of be very quiet. Let's be very quiet. My gosh, almost 10 minutes now. Holy crap. Guys, I gotta go. I hear somebody. So we're gonna go. Sorry guys, I thought I was gonna have to go. But I heard somebody. I think they might saw me. So I'm gonna get back to my bike as fast as I can. So, dear God, hope there's not someone following me. Okay. Let's go rush back to the bikes. I know I said I was gonna have to go, but I wanted to get this on footage, on video, to show you guys, be careful when you come out here to these kind of woods. Holy crap. Jeez Louise, you guys. I heard somebody, but I believe we're farther away from them. But anyways, for this nature boy video, I am still going back to the bikes. So I'm by myself, man. Holy crap. I heard like voices or something like that. So we're gonna run back to the bikes. Almost there. The bike. Holy crap. I don't know if you guys, well, you probably heard the voices. Voice shouting. They might have saw us though. They might have saw me. Holy crap. That was terrifying, you guys. So, try this on your own risk. If you know where this area is, just try it on your own risk. Alright guys, that's it for this video, and I'll come back to you with more of these videos. See ya.